Hi guys, I'm Deeksha and look what I have here. It's the new Moto G4 which has been launched in India today itself for Rs 12,499. So I thought I'll do a quick video for you and compare the G4 and the G4 Plus and tell you buying which one makes more sense. In terms of design and display, this phone is exactly similar to the G4 Plus. It feels the same in the hands with its slightly textured back panel. The screen size is 5.5 inches, which is the screen size of the G4 Plus. It comes protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 layer. So apart from a fingerprint reader which is missing on the G4, there's no difference on the outside. The actual difference is inside. So let's talk about that now. Now the Moto G4 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 617 processor and it gets an Adreno 405 GPU, which is the same processor configuration that you get in the Moto G4 Plus. However, the G4 Plus is available in a 3GB RAM variant as well, but you get only 2GB of RAM in the Moto G4. Also, the inbuilt storage is 16GB, but the 3GB RAM variant of the G4 Plus has 32GB of storage. So that is one of the primary differences between the G4 and G4 Plus. Apart from that, the Moto G4 sports a 13 megapixel primary camera. However, the Moto G4 Plus sports a 16 megapixel primary camera. So basically, even in the 2GB RAM variant of the G4 Plus, you get a better camera than the Moto G4. So rest of the specifications for the Moto G4 remain exactly same as the Moto G4 Plus. This phone has a 5 megapixel front camera, a 3000 mAh battery, it's a dual SIM smartphone and it offers the same standard connectivity options along with the fact that it runs Android Marshmallow just like the G4 Plus. The Moto G4 is available for Rs 12,499 as I mentioned earlier, and the 2GB RAM variant of the G4 Plus is available for Rs 13,499. In a difference of 1,000 bucks, you get a better camera and a fingerprint reader. If you go slightly higher, the 3GB RAM variant of the Moto G4 Plus is available for 15,000 bucks and it promises better multitasking. So it does not really make sense for you to buy the Moto G4. We have reviewed the G4 Plus and we can tell you it offers one of the best cameras in the segment, and the presence of a fingerprint reader does not harm now, does it? If this video was helpful, make sure you hit the like button and the share button. If you still have any queries left about the Moto G4 and the G4 Plus, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at 91mobiles to stay updated about everything technology. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.